Pancake day, pancake day. The pan's getting hotter. The butter has melted. I've poured in the batter. Pancake day, pancake day. The pancake is sizzling. I flick off the wrist and it's stuck to the ceiling. Pancake day, pancake day. I've not seen Mom cross her. So which did she call me? A champion tosser. Mix a pancake, stir a pancake, pop it in a pan, fry the pancake, toss the pancake, catch it if you can. Mix a pancake, stir a pancake, pour it in the pan, fry the pancake, toss the pancake, catch it if you can. I love pancakes, pancakes as well. I love pancakes all times of day. I love pancakes with butter and jam. I love pancakes with syrup and ham, coconut, berry, and cinnamon too. I love pancakes and they love you. I love pancakes with syrup. I love pancakes with jam. I love pancakes with sausage. I love pancakes with ham. I love pancakes in the morning. I love pancakes at night. Please give me my pancakes so I can take a big bite. Tossing a pancake? I can't do that. Just get a fry pan, heat up the fat, mix up the butter. As easy as that. One on the ceiling, one on the cat, one on the door, one on the mat, one on my hat, like a sweet sticky hat. I thought I would try tossing a pancake. Well, that turned out to be a big mistake. The first three didn't leave the pan at all. The next two were sliding down the wall. The only one dispatched with any grace, then splashed hot fat right in my face.